For example, a lot of times you'll post a link on Facebook and you'll put your link up and it'll automatically generate, if you don't include a picture with your link, it'll automatically pull from the link on that page an image for Facebook. And sometimes that image is outdated. Sometimes it's just not right. You're like, what's going on here? So you can go into Facebook and the developers. There's a whole section, Facebook for developers, and it's a lot of there's a ton of stuff you can do on here. But one of the easier things and the cool things you can do is essentially Facebook is crawling, they call it, the different pages and taking information, and that's how it decides what image it pulls up. So if you go onto your page, like you search on your particular website, like I can search on here for scarehouse.com, I can get some information that this is what Facebook is pulling essentially from scarehouse.com. And then it'll have a particular picture, link, all kind, there's a lot of information on this end. But one of the important things that you can do, and easy things you can do, is if you update the image on your website, you can click on the thing that says time scraped. It'll tell you the last time it scraped all this information from your particular link, and tell it to scrape again, and it'll pull updated information from your page. So if you go in and update your information, you should probably just go in here and just be like, hey, I'm just going to scrape, just make sure it's been recent. The only thing is it will, like if you have an image that overrides all of your images on your page, it will still pull that image up. But if you don't have that, I'm totally blanking out on what it's called. My brain not working. Let me pull that up real quick. But yeah.
So this is a problem I would have on like my WordPress. Like
yes.
Where we put this new DVD out and we want to promote that it's there, or there's a digital download or whatever, and it'll pull up like the IndieWrestling.us logo from it that's like small, and it'll blow it up and it'll look really ugly, versus like the album cover or the video cover that we wanted to display, right?
Yes.
Like this is the kind of thing that you want to do, especially if you're putting product stuff out or articles or something like that. Your blog isn't displaying the right image. So
you might have to ask to scrape again.
Mm-hmm.
So if on your page, it's called OG:image, and that's the thing at the very bottom. If you use like WordPress or something at the bottom of your SEO section, where essentially you give it an image that you want it to use every time somebody's using a link from your website. But if you don't have that image set, it'll pull in the last images from your particular page. Facebook will pull the last images from your page. So if you update your images or any information on your page, you might want to have Facebook scrape your data.
Okay.
Because it might have some old pictures.
There you go. And this is especially sites that have been around for a while, right? That maybe have some old legacy stuff in there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So something like Scarehouse has been around for like 10 years?
It's not too bad. It seems to do it... I think Scarehouse is the last time I did it was around Christmas time, like January. So it seems to do it on its own.
So there's a lot of Christmas
often.
pictures that might have popped up.
Yes.
So.
It might, because there was still a creepy Christmas image. I was like, there you go, fixed it, done.